Now this plane right here was spraying plume. Let's see if it turns it back on. That is a very, very, very low plane. I'll show you what it sprayed. Now that's only a few thousand feet up. This is a cell phone camera. All right, look at that plane. I mean, that's weird looking. That was actually spraying some plume, and I'm going to show you. It's gonna be hard. There he goes. There he goes. On. See that? See that? A few thousand feet. A few thousand feet. I could hit that one with a rifle. That's how low it is. Well, no, I couldn't, but still, in all. Look at this. I gotta back up. I want to catch this guy. Oops, lost him. There he is. Look at that. Look how low that is. Look how low. Look how low that plane is. Okay, I'm at 1,000 feet elevation here. So that can't be a few thousand feet above me. I'm trying to back up. I'm trying to show you. Now, you saw it. You saw it. Now see how low these trails are. Now it's going to get out of range pretty soon. So now just follow this back. All right. Now it actually